cat people, welcome to the unboxing series. I am Catlady Antigoni and today we have a lot of stuff to unbox. First of all, good morning, how are you? To me it's around 12 o'clock in the morning and I have my cold coffee here, and while I'm drinking it I decided to show you some things because I have bought quite a lot and they are quite a lot to be shown in Instagram stories, and I think that I will have a lot of long stories, so instead I decided to have a video. And if you like it, I'm thinking to turn it into unboxing series and not just unboxing video. So yeah, first of all, you might notice that I have a Body Shop box. Actually, the things that I have to show you are not only from Body Shop, but this was the biggest box because it contained a lot of protection paper. So I took this box, I filled it with other stuff, and I'm here to show them to you. So if you're ready, let's start! Okay, I would like to begin with something that I received literally some minutes before, and I'm talking about the palette Girls on the Moon from Glossgods, and let me show it to you. Actually, I have removed the paper packaging in order to make it easier for us and shorter, as short as possible. And here we have a palette with 16 effective eyeshadows. What I mean by effective, basically all of them are either duochrome or metallics or multichrome, like they are doing stuff. And I was so amazed by this palette. It was sold out for quite a long period. I think it was sold out from November until now. Now it's the end of June, so I bought it by the time that it was available again, and actually they shipped it quite fast to me. The shipping took around 3-4 days, and yeah, I'm so curious to try it, really looking forward. If I hadn't do this makeup today, I would have gone for this palette. Like, I'm dying to try it. And I don't wanna forget to mention, if you buy this palette, Glossgods is donating some money to a dog shelter because they want to honor the memory of Lyko, the first dog that was sent out of the universe. And actually, in my opinion, this is something great. I love helping animals, so keep this in mind. And if you wanna buy this palette, consider it a little bit extra. Now, let's move on again with Glossgods to finish my order, because my order just had two things. The second thing was this one right here. This is called the Hello Holo. It's actually a glitter, a holographic glitter. I don't know if you can see it. I have tried a lot of glitters and duochromes from Glossgods. They are amazing. They don't have any issues with close to eye application, so to me this is fascinating, because all my glitters say that, oh, do not use them close to the eyes and they might be dangerous and stuff like that. They don't say this, so to me, big thumbs up. I needed this holo glitter in my life. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned Body Shop, and I mentioned that I have bought some products from them. So let me show you. Actually, I'm gonna start with some hair products. The Tea Tree Purifying and Balancing shampoo and the Tea Tree Purifying and Balancing conditioner. So these two right here, basically I'm looking to change my hair care routine. I'm looking for new products. I would like to focus on cruelty-free, preferably vegan stuff for my dyed hair, for my very oily skin on my head. So I decided to stop buying all the brands from the supermarket, which I found out that most of them were not cruelty-free, and I had no idea, and really I felt so bad about it. But yeah, I'm here to change it, and I started by using the brand Aussie. They are quite nice, but I don't know, I don't have enough criteria yet. So my next brand is gonna be Body Shop. I'm gonna try these two as a combination and then I'm gonna update you. From Body Shop also, I bought a mist. So here we have the coconut and yuzu. I don't know, I don't even know what is yuzu, okay? Here in body mist, and let me spray it. Oh my god, it smells like summer to me. It smells coconut, but not just coconut. Coconut with something very fresh, I would say. To me, it's one of the best summer mists that I can imagine having. I haven't smelled it before. I was just guessing that it has coconut, so I might like it, and I was correct. It's a very nice mist. You need to try it. If you ever be in a body shop, just try this one. I don't know if I have any other of their perfumes. Yes, I have the tea tree perfume or something. Yeah, I have an obsession with tea tree, as you saw from the shampoo and conditioner, because tea tree promises to keep the skin a little bit less oily. So I'm like, yeah, bring it to me, just give it to me. Definitely I can understand that this is not applying into perfumes, but you know, my mind is set like, we see tea tree, we buy it, we like it automatically. And last but not least, from Body Shop, I bought 2 skincare products, these 2. Again, from Tea Tree series, I'm obsessed with this series. And here we have the Skin Clearing Facial Wash. Actually, it's the second time that I'm buying this. I'm so happy with this product. It's actually working with me. It kind of reduces the oil production of my face, but in a healthy way. It doesn't make my skin very dry or anything. So big thumbs up, I bought it and I'm using it in combination with this product right here. This is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner, and my skincare routine looks like this. I'm waking up in the morning, I'm washing my face with Tea Tree, this one, the facial wash, then I'm applying this product, then some niacinamide. As I have told you in previous videos, if you're old here, you know it. If you're new, just check my older videos when I'm talking about my skincare routine, and then I'm applying my day cream. And I think that this is working for me. Next, I'm going to talk about the brand LH Cosmetics. LH Cosmetics is a Swedish brand by the Swedish influencer Linda Hallberg, and actually by the end of May, close to my birthday, they had an amazing discount when you could buy 3 products and pay for 2. So of course I got 3 products, and the first thing that I took was their new palette, the Daybreak palette. Let me show it to you. Yeah, I have used it in a tutorial. I think it's already up on my channel by now, it's live. I'm gonna leave a card or a link down at the description box, but if you're gonna make sure that you're not gonna miss all the makeup tutorials that I'm doing, all the transformation makeups that I'm doing, and some more chatty videos on Saturdays usually, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video in order to encourage me to create more and more content. Also, about this makeup, I have already filmed a tutorial. It's the makeup that I have done only using Glam Shop products. And I don't know if this is up. Like, I'm guessing that the LH video is up. I'm not sure about the other. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, back to the palette now. It has some incredible cool toned colors, which I love. Also, it has grey, which I also love. And these 2 colors can be used as cake liners, which is amazing as an idea because you get a palette with matte eyeshadows, shimmery eyeshadows, toppers, and then you get the cake liners and the duochrome. What else can you ask for? This is an amazing palette, and when I saw it I was like, meh, I might pass. But then I was thinking about the color scheme, and I thought that it was a very clever color scheme and something that was missing from my collection, and especially when it comes to grey and this cool toned brown that I'm using for my eyebrows. It's perfect. I definitely recommend this palette to you. Also, from LH Cosmetics, I bought their setting spray. It promises a long-lasting matte effect, and I'm like, yeah, this is talking to my heart, you know, because actually, you know how oily I am, how much I complain about it, so when I see products that promise a matte effect, I'm like, yeah, give it to me, just give it to me. And so far so good. I have tried it like 2-3 times. I'm quite happy with the product. I'm quite happy with the mist. It's a very, very nice mist, and yeah, I like it. The only product that I haven't tried or opened yet is the LH Cosmetics Matte Attack Primer. Actually, I'm using like 2 primers nowadays, 2 different ones, and I want to finish something before I start this new one. Again, this is promising a very matte finishing, and I'm like, yeah, just give it to me. And that was the product that I got for free, I guess. So I got 3 products and I paid only for the palette and the setting spray, and I think that this was a nice deal. And the last store that I'm gonna talk about today is Lyko. Lyko is a Scandinavian store, but you can also find it in Finland, if I'm not mistaken, and I think one more country, Poland? Is it correct? I'm not sure. Anyways, I have collaborated with them in the past, but this time I bought everything by myself. So whatever you hear as an opinion is for products that I bought with my own money. First of all, I bought this. This is from Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and actually I was so happy that I could buy this because I would like to try Garnier for many years, but they were not cruelty-free, but they very recently changed this into cruelty-free. I think they did it last year, if I'm not mistaken. I was like, yay, finally I can try their cleansers, their products. And let me tell you, so far this is my favorite micellar water. It's the third or fourth that I'm buying, and I'm super happy with it. Now I think the rest of the products that I'm gonna show you from Lyko are from Essence, and let's start with a tiny brush. So here we have this one right here. It's the Precise Eyeliner brush, and I have bought this one more time. It's not amazing, but it costs like €1, and for €1 it's perfect for details. I'm using it not for eyeliner brush specifically, but when I want to do the bottom part of my eye and I want to work with some details, it's a great brush for this. Next, I bought a little sharpener in this neon vibrant pink, which is calling my name, definitely. I used to have a neon orange, but after 4 years, it's not sharp enough to help me with my eye pencils, so I decided to rebuy the same one in a different color. And this is a very good sharpener, like you can sharpen bigger pencils or the normal pencils, so it has both jumbo and normal, and I think it's quite convenient. It's a very good one. I'm very happy. I don't have to say a lot. It's a good one. And if you're curious if I bought any makeup, of course I bought. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the Dumbo palette. I think that this is limited edition. The collaboration that they have done with Disney as a whole is limited edition, if I'm not mistaken. This palette is absolutely beautiful. As you can see here, I haven't tried it yet, but in my mind it looks so promising. Let me see if I can remove the plastic for you. Yeah, I can do this. So basically, I'm very curious for this color right here, the Circus Star, and then this one. Like, I'm dying to try this. I haven't tried anything from Essence, and specifically Essence palettes, for years. I don't know why. I was just buying from other brands. But when I saw this, I thought that it's super cute and it gives me some retro vibes. So why not? I'm here to test it for you. Also from Essence, I bought 3 pencils. I think 2 for lips, 1 for eyes, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, exactly. So I bought a grey one for the eyes. It's the Kajal Pencil Eyeliner in the shade 15, Behind the Scenes. It's a very nice dark grey, and I had a lot of blacks, but never a grey, so I found it a great opportunity. I think I paid around €1.5 per pencil, or €1.3. Something very, very good and affordable. So yeah, to me it's a thumbs up, even though that I haven't tried it yet. Then I bought this reddish color. It's a lip pencil, obviously, and it's called, how is it called? Where is the name? It's called My Love, which is a very fitting name for the shade, that red, that vibrant red. And then I have this one in a very nice soft pink, I would say, and the name is My Dream. Oh my god, I love those names. Like, I haven't tried any of the pencils, but I'm really looking forward to do so. By the way, a disclaimer here, you might have seen other videos when I'm doing like face makeups, makeup tutorials or whatever with some of the products that I'm mentioning right now. The reason why you see this and then you see the unboxing is because I'm pre-filming a lot of stuff. So I don't know when I'm going to release the unboxing video in comparison to the tutorial, and I think that sometimes, especially when it comes to new products, you would like to see the tutorial more than the unboxing. So I'm just keeping the unboxing for later on, and I instead prefer to upload the tutorial in order to be able to help you to decide if you want to buy this new product or not. So that's the reason I'm not lying to you. I'm not saying that something is new while it's not, but just keep this in mind. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. For today, I decided to tell you the verb for consume because that's what we are doing in the end. We are consuming. And at this point, I would like to make another disclaimer. Okay, a lot of disclaimers today. And tell you that definitely, I don't need all those things. It's just some extra money that I have because I'm working and I decided to spend this money on makeup. You don't have to do the same. You don't have to judge me about that. It's my money, my choice. I just want to have some fun here. I'm not doing other things, like I'm not smoking, I'm not drinking, I'm not doing anything. So I feel that, yeah, some money on makeup is not a bad thing in the end. Anyway, back to the Greek word of the day. So in Greek, for consume, we say καταναλώνω. Say with me. Καταναλώνω. Καταναλώνω. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word καταναλώνω. Tell me the word καταναλώνω in your own native language, or tell me what do you want to consume or what you're planning to buy. And the last but not least product from Lyko is this mascara right here. It's a lash and brow gel mascara, Style and Comb, okay. I haven't tried it, it seems very promising. I'm planning to do one brand makeup tutorial from Essence, that's why I bought all those Essence products. I'm so curious to use it. It seems promising. I have seen some very good reviews, so we will see. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for being here with me and seeing my unboxing series. Don't forget to write a comment down below if you like this concept, if you want to see more unboxing videos. Tell me what do you want to buy. Tell me what should I prioritize when I'm trying things, when I'm uploading videos, and I will definitely do this because I love your recommendations and I always respect what you say to me. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Catlady Antigoni, down here. See you on Tuesday with a makeup tutorial, and until then, bye!